This €42,000 SUV has a 21-inch curved screen, not 20 inches, not 19, 21 inches of wraparound glass that makes a Mercedes dashboard look like a flip phone. And that's not even the weird part. Here's the thing. Most plug-in hybrids feel like compromises. You get less trunk space, you get awkward charging routines, you get a car that's trying to be two things at once and failing at both. This one breaks that rule completely. 52 miles of pure electric range. 192 horsepower when you combine the 1.6-liter engine with the electric motor. 0 to 60 in 7.8 seconds. But here's where it gets interesting. The full electric version of this exact car costs €52,000, 10,000 more, same body, same screen, same fastback roofline that looks like someone melted a coupe onto an SUV. So why would you pay €10,000 extra for the electric version when this plug-in hybrid can drive most daily commutes on battery power alone? Nobody's asking that question, but they should. The interior feels like sitting inside a gaming cockpit. That 21-inch screen curves around you. The steering wheel is tiny, almost comically small, positioned low so you look over it instead of through it. It's weird. It takes 10 minutes to get used to. Then you never want a normal steering wheel again. The screen isn't just big for the sake of being big, it's actually useful. Your navigation sits where you'd naturally look. Climate controls respond instantly, no digging through submenus. And the fabric dashboard? It's wrapped in this textured material that feels more like a boutique hotel than a car. Now let's talk about what nobody mentions. This car has a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission in the mild hybrid version, but the plug-in hybrid gets an 8-speed automatic, smoother, more refined. The 21 kilowatt-hour battery charges in under 2 hours with the optional 7.4 kilowatt charger, 3 3/4 hours on the standard 3.7 kilowatt unit. Most people will charge overnight and never think about it. Here's the part that surprised me. The boot space. 588 liters in the mild hybrid. Still decent in the plug-in hybrid, though it loses some space to the battery. That's more cargo room than a Nissan Qashqai, more than a Toyota CHR. And unlike those cars, this one looks like nothing else on the road. The fastback roofline, the 3-claw LED lights, the full-width rear light bar. It's bold. Some people will hate it, most will stare. The hybrid system switches between electric and petrol smoothly enough that you stop noticing. Around town, it runs on battery power most of the time. On the highway, the petrol engine kicks in seamlessly. Fuel economy sits at 52.5 miles per gallon in the mild hybrid. The plug-in hybrid claims 356 miles per gallon in combined mode, which is meaningless in the real world, but if you charge regularly, you'll barely use petrol. CO2 emissions? 18 to 30 grams per kilometer for the plug-in hybrid. That's company car tax gold. So here's what this car actually is. A plug-in hybrid that doesn't feel like a compromise. A French SUV that out-techs the Germans for €20,000 less. A daily driver that runs on electricity most of the time but never leaves you stranded. And that 21-inch screen? It's not a gimmick, it's the new baseline. Next time we're looking at something even stranger. A hybrid that costs luxury car money but somehow makes 0 sense on paper, yet perfect sense on the road. You'll want to see this. Let me know in the comments. Would you take this over the full electric version? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.